So finally the day has come. So today we have to tell you about what we learned in the last 30 days. So yeah, it's been a long day journey. We learn so many things in these days rather than bored at home. So we explore ourselves in these days, and we really thanks to Mithun sir that he give us a very good opportunity to go out of the box. Like many of my colleagues, even I am was not able to talk on front of the camera, and, and now you can check my YouTube channel. Like I have so many videos over there with the very good and interesting topics. Yes, so it was a very good time we spent in last 330 days. So yes, the journey was very good. Like it start from the electric cars. So yes, now we know about the electric cars. We generally don't have time to research or think about those cars basically. And the another one is like a day without the social media was very important and very good topic. So yes, finally we just take one pause and realize that how social media is capturing our time. So yes, that was the very good topic. So now I'm trying to cut down the social media from my day-to-day life, and I'm trying to make one time slot for my colleagues or for my family. So yes, that gives me a very good thinking to think about the all the other things rather than social media. Set and yes, generally we drink so much whiskey normally, but now I realize like there are so many wonderful Scotch are here in the market. So yes, the Chivas Regal is the very good one, and love to try it out that Scotch. Yes, and it's been like it's been more than many years. I was running for the work, and I always thinking about the same thing. But now Mithun sir give us a time to think about what is our goals, what is our professional goals, and what is our personal goals. So why we are running, why we are doing so much hard work. So yes, they give us a very good opportunity for regarding these topics. I just right now know about the very good watches as well. The Patek Philippe is my one of the favorite watch right now, just because I just learn about so many things about that watch, and that was very good and amazed. That belongs to the royal family. So yes, that is one of my favorite watch right now. Yes, from the Omega or Rolex. So Patek Philippe is the very good one, and the top-notch restaurant. So whenever I got the time, so definitely I'll visit that store restaurants, that especially the Bukhara. That's my one of the favorite one, top-notch restaurant. So I have a knowledge about if someone asks me about the best restaurant, so I can tell them that yes, I know the best notch restaurants. So yes, and it's been like we know about the fear, the biggest fear. We generally everyone have the fears in their lives, but he or she doesn't want to discuss with the family person or a colleagues in a professional. So yes, now we just overcome, and we trying to overcome our biggest fear, and we just now thinking about, so yes, how to avoid it. We never thinking about to avoid it, we just know that we have a fear, so we are not working on that. So yes, this is the in this situation they gave us a to think about that fears, to how to avoid it. So yes, how many fears I have, that I know that I'm working on this. So I just got time to think about that things, and about the weaknesses. Like everyone has the weaknesses, so I'm working on it, and in the future definitely I will overcome all the things from my weaknesses. And the role model. So yes, the role model, we never say in front of that person, but on the videos we tell them that yes, you are my role model. So yes, this is the very good topic given by the Mithun sir. And now not even the role models, so we learn about so many brands also in these days. So yes, the LV, Gucci, Bottega Veneta, these are the super luxury brands. So basically, yes, I not get so much things about that brands, but now I know the about the LV, Gucci, and the Bottega Veneta. So how they work, how this, which kind of things they are selling, and what is the prospector to making the things so super luxury. Yes. The emotional connection. So yes, the emotional connection is one of the very good topic. So yes, how you connect with your customers. So I realize again about the things that I'm still doing the same thing, but yes, how to improve this, how to change in a different manner, how to change the things for the in a wow moment. So yes, that's the connection of emotional with the customers. So yet that was the wonderful one given by the Mithun sir. And how to avoid the negativity. Yes, how to avoid the negativity and how to take it as a positive thought, or the positive vibe. Yes. So how to avoid the negativity? Yes, in the real life I've also tried to do that. I have to think about the negativity, what is the positive in that. So yes, that is also the very good one. So yes, brand like Cartier, Dior, Tiffany and Corporation, and the Salvatore Ferragamo, Jimmy Choo, Bali, Toads, and Hermes, Story, Birch. That was the first one brand that I never heard about the name, the Tory Burch. Now I know the about brand. So yes, these are the few brand that I never heard the name. So yes, I got so much knowledge, so much brand details about these brands. So who's the owner, when they founded, which kind of accessories or products they are selling in the market, why they are so super luxury. So yes, I got the chance to think about these things in these days. Otherwise I'll just spend my 30 days in a normal way, like wake up, eating and sleeping. So yes, that's a very good one. And the self motivation, and that's and what kind of things demotivates me. So yes, I already think about these things. So yes, if I think, I will improve, and I'll improve, I will implement. Yes, that is most important thing. If you can't think about the problems or weaknesses or the negativities, you will not achieve anything. But if you start thinking about this things, so definitely you will do something better. Yes. And yes, I know the cocktails, about which kind of cocktails, the best one, even the top 10 one in the world, and the compound interest. I will use that formula in my life to do the things in a positive way. In a positive way, like I will use the positive thinking or my work culture in a personal and professional. I will for use that compound interest formula. Yes, so many wonderful movies are there, like the Kung Fu Panda, the Martin, Wake Up Say, even the Forrest Gump and Badmash Company, the Secret documentary. They all the movies give us a chance to think twice what we are doing and what we can learn by the visualization. Visualization is a very powerful thing. So when you watch something in the camera or in a TV, so that gives you a very good impact on your life. So yes, you can learn so many things from the movies. Yes, that is the case study, basically the case study of the movie. This kind of ability I never heard about for myself. So yeah, this is the first time I am just thinking about the moral of the movies, not the story of the movies. So yes, this was the very good one. And the Zara is there, and the Uniqlo and the H&M. I never thinking about this brand. So yes, now I know that how many stores they have and why they are interseparated from each other, and why, what kind of similarities and differences in between these brands. So that was the long journey It's been more than 30 days, and I think I was like so negative if I will not get the chance to do, to explore myself. Like I'm doing video, I'm making a video, I am on my own channel. Like I have a YouTube channel. I have like so many videos over there. I can suggest to the others about my videos. So like I become like a celebrity yaar now. So yes, these are the difference between from last 30 days to this. Yes, thank you.